Imagine planting a seed today and watching it grow into a mighty tree in the future. Just like nature, the financial world operates on the principle of compound growth. The key to financial success lies in understanding and leveraging this powerful concept. Compound growth is the ability of an asset to generate earnings, which are reinvested to generate their earnings. It's like a snowball effect, where your money grows exponentially over time. To benefit from compound growth, start investing early. Even small, regular investments can snowball into substantial wealth over the long term. Consistency is crucial in harnessing the full potential of compound growth. Reinvesting your earnings allows you to earn returns on your returns, accelerating your wealth accumulation. Patience is also vital in this journey. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a substantial investment portfolio. Stay committed to your investment plan, weathering market fluctuations with a long-term perspective. By harnessing the power of compound growth through smart investing decisions, you can secure your financial future and pave the way for long-term wealth accumulation. Start today, invest wisely, and watch your financial seeds blossom into a prosperous tomorrow.